Hi, I'm Kiva Adams. I'm 65 years old. I'm originally from Arkansas, but I've been in Oklahoma since 1983, and I love it here. So what brought me into Secure Dentures and Implants is I saw one of their commercials and I knew I needed help. I needed to do something because I was so limited on what I could eat. I literally used to dream about steak because I couldn't eat it anymore. And so I wanted to get all that fixed. How did my failing teeth affect my daily life? I've always been known for my smile, and I couldn't be confident in my smile anymore because it wasn't pretty. And I wanted that fixed because I wanted not just to be able to eat, but to feel good. I didn't feel good about myself. I couldn't be me, and impacted me a lot. So the first time I looked in the mirror and saw my new smile, I just teared up because it was like me again. I saw me and my smile and my pretty teeth, not those ugly ones that I had. You know, people would see it and like my family, they're just like, oh my gosh, there's our Kiva, you know? As soon as I got my finals, I went straight to a restaurant and got my steak. And it was so good. Best steak I've ever had because I could chew. And it was amazing. Dr. Coleman is absolutely amazing. Everyone here in this office, they're real, they're caring, and they just take care of you. They make you feel comfortable, they care, and they want you to be happy. And they'll do anything they can to make you happy. And I've experienced that. Yeah, I was very insecure about my smile. And now that I have these, I can smile and I can be myself again, that I didn't get to for so long because I was so embarrassed about my teeth. And, you know, doing this and smiling like with my mouth closed instead of my normal, you know, big smile. It's just been amazing. Would I recommend Secure Dentures and Implants to people? 100%, most definitely. Don't wait. Don't suffer anymore. Come see these people. They will take care of you, I promise. And they care about each patient that they have. So yes, 100%, I would recommend Secure Dentures and Dental Implants. So if you're insecure about your teeth, get a secure smile.